Hey everybody, welcome back. I got a cool package. It's a box, but I mean, I guess the package is cool too, but I know what's inside of it, at least partly. So my friend Paul Olsen lives down in Florida. Paul's a great contributor to the channel. Thank you, Paul. He sent me a message the other day. He had a bunch of kits he wanted to get rid of. And he said, hey, you interested in any of them? I said, yeah. There were two that I liked. It was a Ferrari and a Dodge Dart, or it was GTX actually. And I said yeah, so he worked it out. I paid him, and he said, hey, I'm gonna send a few extra things, so if you wouldn't mind opening it on camera. So here it is. The box is way bigger than the Ferrari and the GTX, so we're gonna open it up. I don't know what else is in here, so that's what's cool about this package. Is I know Paul has sent something else and it weighs a little more. I don't know how much packing's in here, but he said there were some other things in here. So let's open it up and see what's inside. The GTX is the Revell. It's an older edition, but it's the Revell Hemi GTX, which is an absolute wonderful model kit. And the Ferrari is I think it was a Ferrari Testarossa. I believe it's Testarossa. It was a Tamiya kit. So we will see what's up in here. Packing. Okay, here's the GTX. So that's the GTX kit. And I built this one, but not this box art. This is 94, but man, you're talking about a nice model kit. If you want to have a kit that's got tons of detail and you can detail, the chassis is especially detailed, this is one to get right here. This is a great 67 Plymouth GTX, but I got that from Paul at a great price. Appreciate it, Paul. Sorry for the glare. And oh wow, oh wow. Okay, so this was not, I didn't know this was going to be in there. 65 Bonneville. I've never even seen this. This is a repop from round 2. Yeah, round 2 repop. But I've never even seen this kit before. 65 Bonneville. Sport Coupe. Ooh, that's cool. I see these, my personal taste would never, I would never want to build it like that. But watching Mr. G, hanging with Mr. G Seeds, Gary Seeds, he loves to build them in this 60s style that they had back then, customizing style. And I'd be honest with you, because I've seen Gary do it so many times, or seen so many of his builds, I might would try it and just do that. I couldn't do the fancy paint jobs he does, but anyway, so Paul has sent me this. This is very cool. This box is heavy. It must have so many extra parts. But yeah, this thing is so heavy. Brand new kit. Thank you, Paul. Me and Ruthie went down to last year. Was it? It was just after JaxCon. We went down to hold on, no, it was just after Acme. We went to Largo, Florida, down near Tampa, to a oh shoot, what's the, I forgot the show. They just had it again. But anyway, it'll come to me in a minute. Anyway, as we're going down there, I got, sorry, off in the weeds. As we were heading down there, Paul wanted to know if I could stop by his house. Paul lives kind of midway down. So me and Ruthie stopped by Paul's house. He gave me the tour of all his models and all that stuff and sent me home with a giant box of stuff. Paul is a great guy. And I saw him at JaxCon. Anyway, look at this. Never had one of these. Taco trike. Oh, that's pretty cool. Taco trike. They've got a lot of these little trike bikes. They're really cool, but I've never even seen this taco trike. Have you guys seen that? Brand new. MPC. Obviously, it's a round 2 reissue. But more than likely, this trike is probably an old edition that came out a long time ago that they've redone. Probably be such a quick and fun build because there's not very many parts, as you can see. I wouldn't think. Oh well, here's the, well, there's not a lot of parts. You got the main body of it, and then you got some chrome parts. That would be neat. Never built a trike. Have to try that. And not one, but two. Here's the Cobra chopper. Look at that. Now that's got an inline 4. What did this have? This has a V8 fuel injected small block Chevy. The Taco does, but the Cobra chopper. So, wait, it was 3-seater. It's got one in the middle and then 2 on the sides, and it's got an inline 4-cylinder, some old Kawasaki or something like that, air-cooled inline 4. So that's pretty cool. It's also MPC. I have to build a trike just to say that I did. Thanks, Paul. I really appreciate it, man. That's cool. That's really cool. All right, and here is the kit that I bought from Paul. And you can tell this is an older edition of a Tamiya kit. Ferrari Testarossa. It's a big box too, man. This is let me see if I can find a date. I have to get way back because I don't have my glasses on. Printed in Canada. I know it's in. It might be on the front here. May not have a date on this one. I'm thinking mid to late 80s, possibly. I could be wrong. Don't see a date. But this thing is quite large. Anyway, yeah, check that out. Ferrari Testarossa. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. I have to do an unboxing on it. But always loved the Testarossa. I thought they were just the coolest of the Ferraris, except for Magnum's car. What was that, a 305 or something like that? I forget what it was, but anyway, Magnum PI, because we all, guys my age at least, would watch Magnum PI, Simon and Simon, Hardcastle, all those old shows. But yeah, Magnum PI would drive a Ferrari, but not a Testarossa. But a Testarossa with those classic side vents on the side of it, that's really cool. I wish I could find a date on it. Probably if I had my glasses on, I could find the date. Let me do one more round about the box to make sure I don't see one. Don't see one, don't see one. It does say Edison, New Jersey, though, and printed in Canada. I don't know if that has any significance on the date. So no date on this. But anyway, I'm thinking probably mid to late 80s. Or maybe early 90s. Or maybe I'm totally wrong. But anyway, ain't that cool? Very nice. So again, Paul, good friend of mine. We communicate back and forth on Messenger and stuff. He went and Southlands, that was the show. I know it'd come to me. The Southlands model show down in Largo, Florida. And Paul sent me some pictures recently where he won some awards at the show. I didn't get to go to that one. Although would have liked to. But I didn't get to. It was a biannual show. Now it's just an annual show, and it just didn't work out. But maybe next year I'll be able to make it down to Largo. It was a fun time. Got to meet some people and make some new friends. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you to Paul Olsen again for giving me these 3 cool kits and allowing me to get these kits at a great price. So thank you, Paul, and thank you to all you guys who watch these videos and support me. And I'm not at all asking for anything except just watch my videos. That is the greatest support that you could give me. And if you would thumbs up the video, that is like I say, the greatest of support. These are just such cool extras that come along with this channel, and I'm so appreciative of that. I've got so many people that have sent me gifts. I need to have a list so I could actually call them out, but I have so many good friends that have sent me things that I wouldn't have what I have without you guys, and wouldn't have this channel, wouldn't have grown like it was if it wasn't for you guys. Wouldn't have a lot of the model kits if it wasn't for you guys. But anyway, or the experience, or the friends. And I think one of the most important things with that this channel has brought me, or the most valuable things rather, is the friendships that it's made me because of it. Rather than me being in a storage container all by myself, I've been able to have friends worldwide. I've got a Patreon member that lives in Australia, or was it South Africa? Anyway, but yeah, people that, the comment section, people from Australia, from all over the, I say Australia because it's like the farthest point from, it's like you can't really get any farther away from us than Australia, and all in between. There are people that are in tons of different countries and support my channel. And again, so I want to say a big thank you to all of you guys for watching, for continuing to just support me with a thumbs up and with a comment. That's so much fun. I'm not able to get back to all the comments. I read as many as possible, but like if you get 100 or 200 comments per video, and I'm putting a video out every couple days, it does become it's difficult, to say the least. But you keep commenting and I'll keep trying to read them and respond to them. And again, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget, as always, go check out hobbynutmodels.com. It's always linked in the description of the video. Go down there, click on that link if you would. It helps me out if you'll use that link to navigate over to Hobby Nut. Go over there and check out Mark's inventory and see if there's something over there you'd like to have. He's got tons of stuff. Go check it out. Facebook group, thank you to all my contributors there. Thank you to Craig Bolton and Chris Callan for moderating and helping me there with the new members and things like that. Really appreciate that, guys. And all of your input is so valuable over there. I'll see people ask questions and there'll just be a list of comments. What kind of glue do I need, or what's going on with this paint? You know, so much great knowledge over at the Facebook group. So thanks, guys, for contributing there. And don't forget to go to the spring store where you can get yourself a great t-shirt or a coffee mug or sticker. And thank you to my Patreon members. We have a great time over on Patreon having those live streams. And just again, most importantly, guys, thanks to you who are watching these videos and again giving them a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. So guys, you take care. And again, thanks Paul Olsen for making this video possible. And hey guys, we'll see you on the next one.